finds a wife has found a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. You found the harmony to the song you sing. You can do anything you wanna call you. You are a father and a brother and a lover and a cover and a teacher and a everything. She's your mother, your sister, your lover, your cover, your teacher, your everything. So don't take her smile